this video, I will compare CoinDCX and Coinbase to help you decide which crypto exchange is the better choice. I will cover trading features, fees, security, and overall usability based on my experience with both platforms. And to start off with the trading features, CoinDCX is an India-based exchange offering spot trading with deep liquidity and easy INR deposits. And I mean Indian rupees with that. And Coinbase, on the other hand, is a global exchange with spot trading, staking, and an intuitive mobile app. So if you want more overall performance in applications and stuff like that, and more a global feeling, then Coinbase is better in this than CoinDCX. But if you are India-based and you live in India and you are not planning to move any soon, then you can also go with the India-based performance. And let's move on to the fees and costs. CoinDCX has lower trading fees, but spreads can be higher on some assets, and Coinbase charges higher fees, especially for instant buys, but offers better liquidity. And then the security and regulation. CoinDCX is compliant with Indian regulations and partners with top security firms, and Coinbase is a publicly traded company with FDIC insurance on US dollar balances and a strong global compliance. But of course, global is quite comprehensive, and the more India-based is more specific, and I think overall will be better protected and secured than Coinbase because Coinbase is bigger and global. So the final verdict is that for Indian users, it is best to use CoinDCX, and for the global access and security, Coinbase is the best thing for you. So if you're in India and want INR friendly trading, CoinDCX is a great choice. But if you prioritize security, global availability, and staking, Coinbase might be the better option. But a side note on the security, I think the security will in the end be better in India when you are using CoinDCX. And the security will in general be good globally for Coinbase. But as I already said, global means that it is bigger and harder to secure every single nation. And therefore, I think that CoinDCX will be better suitable for you if you are Indian. So let me know which platform you prefer, and thank you for watching, and then I see you in the next one.